just having to show off what I think is a fantastically designed, decorated, styled flat. We're in Leith, down in Leith, where it is generally the house prices are a little bit cheaper, but with that I think everybody that's come down has come down with a bit of style. So it's a cheaper place with more style. It's not the Edinburgh city centre, but all the houses, so many of the houses I'm shooting down here are just brilliantly like done, like really good. Like it's like artists. So yeah, I think that Leith very much is like an artist's place now. So yeah, very simple flat, ground floor down at Leith. Bit of a funky angle. It's only one bedroom, maybe we could call it two bedroom. One bedroom and a study. Nice big living room here. Just like nicely dark painted radiator with a nice like contrasting thing there with the original wooden floors there. You know, just simple things like that. Cool old school wooden table going on there, like that's a bit down. Then the cool wavy rug with a just good complementing colours there. Nice things there. Big poster there. I like how we are right out on the actual street here, but they've frosted out the bottom glass. They've got cool music decks in here. They've placed this for me to take photos. I love that. They've put vinyls, made it styled out. They've even got a guitar. I don't think they've played this guitar because the amount of dust in this guitar, it means I think that has been purely put there for style. Brilliant. Love it. Love it when owners do this. Barely ever happens, but when they do, it's just so cool. So again, so we're going from wooden flooring into cool kind of, is that actual stone? Maybe it's actual stone. And then just a beautiful bit of interesting colours. You've got this kind of weird teal colour there, a little kind of breakfast bar area where they're throwing up some hexagonal tiles going on there. We've got orange. Whoever has this place has definitely done colour therapy, not colour therapy, but colour science of some sort. And like, it's a difficult kitchen, but they've managed to squeeze their fridge in the corner there. Gas cooker, they've got their extractor fan with an extra extractor fan. They've got their washing line up there, the dark wood of the shelves. Brilliant. Really cool. And then bedroom, again, it's like much more dimly lit, quieter. But again, so slightly different here. We've got no darker bit at the bottom, but a darker bit up at the top. So somebody has painted halfway across the water tank again there. They've got their shelves there. They've even placed shirts. Oh my goodness, maybe I'll have to get that right for the photos. Good effort. Love it. So that would have just been blanked off. Instead they've opened it up and made that a bit of art. And again, there's a bike here. I don't think this bike has ever been used. Well, it's got mud on it, so maybe it has. But yeah, that's just brilliant. Quite a funky, cool bed going on there. Just well done, owner, on this one. And then second bedroom slash study. Put a computer here. Notice it's not plugged into anything. There's no plugs for it. It's just fake. It's pretend. Wow, love it. Yeah, just keeping this nice and open, basic for anybody to use. And then the bathroom. Again, look at the cool tiles. Cool like them. Painted wooden cover for the bath there. Is that real? Yeah, proper tiling going on there with a little bit of artwork. There are flowers going there. Oh, I need to get that on for the photos. Just brighten all that up. Just what good effort. Oh, look, even little clothes hangers going on there. You've got your other ones on the back of the door here. More clothes hangers there. Stick your things in there. But yeah, this is what I call impressive, stylish. This is exactly what I now expect from Leith properties. Just like brilliant. Well done. There you go. Just giving you an example of a ground floor, 2 bedroom Leith property. Nice. I'm off to go try and tune the guitar and give it a play.